Window installation in Miami is more than just a home improvement task. It's an investment in your property's safety, energy efficiency, and value. Due to the region's unique climate challenges, such as intense heat, high humidity, and the risk of hurricanes, proper window installation is critical. Unfortunately, many homeowners and even some contractors make avoidable mistakes that can lead to costly repairs or replacements down the line. Here are the most common mistakes to watch out for during window installation in Miami, and how to avoid them. Choosing the wrong type of window. Not all windows are made to withstand Miami's weather conditions. One of the biggest mistakes is selecting standard windows that are not hurricane impact rated. In a hurricane-prone area like Miami, it's essential to choose impact-resistant windows that comply with Florida Building Code standards. These windows are designed to withstand strong winds and flying debris, keeping your home and family safe. Additionally, windows should be energy efficient to combat the city's year-round heat. Look for windows with low E coatings and insulated glass that can help reduce energy consumption and maintain indoor comfort. Poor measurement and sizing. Accurate measurement is the foundation of a successful window installation. A window that is even slightly off in size can lead to air leaks, water intrusion, and structural issues. A common mistake is assuming that all windows in a house are the same size or reusing old measurements without verification. Hiring a professional installer who takes precise measurements on site is critical. They will ensure that the windows fit snugly into the frame, with proper allowances for expansion and contraction due to temperature changes. Skipping the permit process. In Miami-Dade County, window replacement projects usually require a permit to ensure compliance with local building codes, especially those related to hurricane protection. Skipping this step is a serious mistake that can result in fines, delays, or issues with insurance claims. A reputable installer will handle the permitting process for you. If you're hiring a contractor, always confirm that they are licensed, insured, and knowledgeable about local regulations. Ignoring proper sealing and insulation. Florida's humidity and frequent rain make it crucial to properly seal and insulate windows. Poor sealing can lead to water leaks, mold growth, and reduced energy efficiency. It's a mistake to rely solely on caulking without also considering flashing and foam insulation. Installers should use high-quality waterproof materials and apply sealants correctly around the entire window frame. This will prevent air and water infiltration, which can cause long-term damage to your home. DIY installation without experience. While DIY projects can be rewarding, window installation is not one to take lightly, especially in Miami. Installing a window incorrectly can lead to major issues, including structural problems, moisture damage, and compromised safety during storms. Unless you have professional training and experience, it's best to leave the job to certified window installers. They have the tools, knowledge, and expertise to ensure a proper, secure, and code-compliant installation. Not considering aesthetics and functionality. Function is crucial, but aesthetics matter too. Some homeowners choose windows without thinking about how they match the rest of the home's style or how they open and close. For instance, certain window types may not be practical for areas exposed to high winds or heavy rainfall. Think about the daily use of your windows, the direction they face, and how they'll complement your home's architecture. A good window installer will help guide you through these considerations. Final thoughts. Window installation in Miami isn't just about putting glass in a frame. It's about protecting your home from the elements while improving its beauty and efficiency. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll ensure that your investment lasts for years to come. Choose the right windows, hire experienced professionals, and prioritize quality materials and proper procedures. In a climate like Miami's, cutting corners can cost you far more in the long run.